We know that sauna has been around for thousands of years. There are many different types of saunas, and they're used for a variety of purposes, including as a form of therapy. Now, in today's society, we often find ourselves feeling stressed, anxious, or depressed, and some people turn to things like alcohol or street drugs to help them cope. But these substances can have negative side effects and can be harmful to your health. That's why it's important to find healthy alternatives for managing stress and improving your overall well-being. And this is where sauna can be helpful. All right, I'm here and I'm super excited because today we are talking about sauna for mental health. We're going to be talking about everything from the research around how sauna might help improve our mental health, all the way to how to safely start using sauna for these types of issues. And I want to make sure you have all the right information so that you can use sauna safely and effectively. So what is the connection between sauna and our mental health? Well, there is some really interesting science around this right now. In fact, there was a study published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research that looked at people who were given two different types of treatment. One group did 2 45-minute sauna sessions per week. The other group didn't do anything. And what they found was that the people who used the sauna had significant improvement in their symptoms of depression. Another study published in the Journal of Holistic Nursing looked at the effects of sauna on people with dementia. They found that those who used sauna regularly actually had an improvement in their mood, their cognition, and their quality of life. There was another study looking at people with chronic pain, and they found that regular sauna use led to less pain, more positive emotions, and improved mental health. Now that we understand the potential benefits of sauna for our mental health, let's talk about how to use it the right way. First, you need to know that there are two main types of sauna: dry sauna and steam sauna. A dry sauna uses dry heat to raise your body temperature. A steam sauna uses steam to create a humid environment. Both types of sauna can be beneficial for mental health, but it's important to choose the right one for you. If you have anxiety or other respiratory problems, a steam sauna may be a better option for you. However, if you have heart problems or circulation issues, a dry sauna may be a better option. Now that you know the basics of sauna, let's talk about how to use it properly. When it comes to sauna and mental health, timing is everything. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when scheduling your sauna session. Start by limiting your sauna sessions to twice a week. This will allow your body time to adjust to the heat and you'll avoid overheating. Aim to relax and unwind during your sauna sessions. Take deep breaths and focus on releasing any tension you're feeling. Use this time to clear your mind and let go of any stress you may be experiencing. When it comes to starting your sauna session, it's important to ease into it gradually. Begin by setting the timer for just 15 minutes. Once you've finished that first session, take the next day off and try again. Gradually work your way up to 30 minutes over the course of a few weeks. But remember to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's crucial to stay hydrated before, during, and after your sauna session. Drink plenty of water to prevent dehydration. You can also drink herbal teas or coconut water to replenish electrolytes lost through sweating. Now that you know how to use sauna, let's talk about the benefits. Using sauna can have numerous physical and mental health benefits. Physically, it can help improve circulation, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation. Mentally, it can help reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and improve sleep quality. To maximize these benefits, it's important to follow some simple guidelines. Make sure to never use sauna for longer than 45 minutes at a time. Taking frequent breaks during your sauna session can also help prevent overheating. Additionally, it's important to never use sauna immediately after strenuous activity or in hot weather. Instead, wait until your body has cooled down before entering the sauna. While sauna can offer numerous benefits, there are certain situations where you should exercise caution or avoid using sauna altogether. People with certain health conditions such as heart disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes should consult their doctor before using sauna. Additionally, individuals who are pregnant, have a pacemaker or other implanted medical devices, have epilepsy or other seizure disorders, or who have a history of fainting should avoid sauna use. Certain medications such as diuretics and lithium can cause adverse reactions when combined with sauna use. It's important to speak with your healthcare provider if you're retaking any medications to ensure that sauna is safe for you. In conclusion, sauna can be a powerful tool for improving our mental health. By understanding the different types of sauna, how to use them properly, and the benefits and risks. We can harness the power of heat to improve our overall well-being. So, if you're looking for a natural and effective way to improve your mental health, consider giving sauna a try. Just remember to do it the right way. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to learn more about sauna or other strategies to improve mental health, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, or go to psychiatricwellness.org. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Psychiatric Wellness, where your journey is our focus.